Yo, Papa, you still getting it?
Yo, what's up, my man? How you doing, bro? Good?
Papa, you there?
Long time to see you.
2 days.
Hey! Good, bro. Yo, we ordered three portions of pork.
Whatever you. He just wake up. Look at his eyes, like Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan.
Look at his stomach.
Hey. Jackie Chan.
Say something, bro.
Че, вот мы сегодня пришли. Самаркандский.
Короче, biz kelgan yerimiz yoqda o'zbeklarning ustaydigan jeri.
There is so
No.
many ingredients of the pork.
They cutting like a little small.
I trust this guy with food though.
I know.
You never try this pork.
Okay, let's see.
Все, и что-то говорят, что он будет крутой сейчас? Окей, братик.
Не крутой, он это просто мелкими кусками режет, он очень вкусный. Мне не нравится, не знаю, попробуйте.
So, bro, tell us more about your country. Where are you from?
Dominican.
Yo, recently a friend of mine went there with his wife to the honeymoon, and he said, "Wow, man, that's really like dope area."
It's nice if you have some money.
Yeah, of course.
Like, but not a lot of money. Like I'm talking about.
So, how much you need to go there?
If you wanna go there for the resorts and stuff like that, you don't need money. But what you pay. But if you go local, maybe I would say $500 to $700 for the whole 15 days.
$700 is enough?
Yeah.
Wow, man.
Not bad.
So you can like get a nice hotel and stuff, right? Or
That I would say. Yeah, I never go to hotels there.
okay,
Because I'm local.
cool.
You can have fun.
Yeah. Tell us more about your country, bro. Where are you from?
I'm from Uzbekistan. Which country always warm, no depression.
Okay. So how long you've been living here, bro?
3 years. No, 4 years actually.
Да, что ты угораешь? Прикинь, братан.
Oh my god.
How about you, bro? What's your name?
My name is Nur Sultan from Kurdistan.
They tired of this already that channel.
It's a very small country. The population is only 5 million. I mean 6.
Yeah. It's nice, bro. Когда плов, брат?
Шабуй.
Yo, it's a plov, bro.
My God, let me take a picture of that.
Давайте, подожди, сфоткай.
Плов тарапсайсың, брат. Қандай дедің, брат? Ситор.
What?
Ё-моё. Мындан дәмін айтсаң да.
No.
I mean, you can order once a week and...
Ну это в Узбекистане также готовят?
Нет.
По-другому? Нереально топно, брат. So, bro, how do you like our plov?
Nice.
Nice?
Yeah, how's this guy? He ate almost everything. Guy, you okay? You falling asleep?
Yo, let's take a nap in someone's car. 4 of us.
Timur.
Короче, на плов нереально завидать этикетку, прям.
Телефон будешь, да? Скажи, давай телефон вот.
After I changed my habit, like I'm eating a small portion, like a plate like this is good enough for me.
Yeah, for sure.
I don't know why. I just eat and drink a lot of water.
Yeah, it's because of water as well.
Guys, we cannot lose weight doing cardio. When you do cardio, you lose a lot. You lower your level of testosterone. So when you do cardio, you're losing muscle mass after 15 minutes. So the only thing you need to do is like 10 minutes walking on the treadmill. No, don't wait to sweat. That's what I used to do when I was ripped.
Қазір тамағымызды ішіп алдық. Қазір жұмыс істеуге барамыз. Төртеумізде жаңағындай Uber айдаймыз, таксистпіз. Біреу мына бала Өзбекстаннан, мына бала Қырғызстаннан, мына бала Доминиканадан,
What the heck is wrong? What are you laughing?
Қазақстаннан. You're my best friend. You're my best friend.
Nothing with
After him.
You better say that. You better say that on time.
Да, нормально покушать. Как это место называется? Прорекламируй, брат.
Место называется Караван. Она находится Avenue P и Макдональдс Avenue.
Макдональдс Avenue. Осы жерге келіңіздер. Яқта мықты
Здесь
плов дайындайды.
основные все, кто работает на Uber, сюда приходит, потому что плов вкусный, покушать недорого, не дешево. Нормальная цена.
да.
Среднестатистический человек сам себе может позволить
Сколько нам
такой
вышел
плов.
чек? $72, да?
Ну,
Турция.
с человека можно сказать $15, $18 будет примерно так.
What? We're going to the city.
Shit, smoke, man. Oh, how? You cannot log in.
There's gonna be pizza. No, bro, nice to see you.
Oh, let's go. Hey, my best friends, my best friends.
Давай, брат. Жаңбыр жауып жатыр. Сол өстіп анда-санда достарымызбен жиналып тамақ ішіп тұрамыз осындай жерлерге келіп. Өте күшті жер екен. Плов дәмді. Ауылдағыдай. Келіп тұру керек екен.